diagnosis of the car. I'm waiting for my friend Rajpal to bring the car here. As you can see, I cannot drive the car because I have a knee injury. So now we are waiting for Rajpal to come, and then he'll bring the car to the workshop in Sunway. We will see what needs to be done to the car. Okay, finally the car has arrived. Okay. So now we are going to Sunway. But before that, we'll stop by Rajpal's. He wants to see his new car. Okay, so let's go. Right now we are waiting for Rajpal and his car. It's a Volvo car now. So while waiting, I'm just taking a video of the BMW. As you can see. That is Rajpal looking at his brother's car. Have a look at the Volvo EXC90 use on. Okay, we have arrived at the workshop, but it's closed. So now we are going to leave the car for the diagnosis. Probably take how long, Raj? At least just to find out what's wrong with the car. It's probably about a couple of weeks, and then we will decide what to do with the car. Probably we'll start with the mechanical parts first. So before that, we just have a look at the car before we let it go. Alright, bye bye. Going to leave you in Sunway for a few months, I think. Alright, see you again. Bye.